Fix 1. Check your buttons. First and foremost, we need to check whether the power button and volume buttons on the device are functioning properly. These buttons serve as the gateway to accessing recovery mode. If they are damaged or malfunctioning, recovery mode cannot be triggered correctly. You can test the responsiveness of these buttons by attempting to adjust the volume or lock the screen. Fix 2. Reset your phone. If the issue persists after restarting your phone, you can try to factory reset it through the system settings. Please note that this will erase all data on the phone, so make sure to back up important information beforehand. Step 1. Locate the reset option in the settings. Step 2. Then select Factory Data Reset and follow the prompts to complete the operation. Fix 3. Use key combinations. Different Android devices may require different key combinations to enter recovery mode. You can consult your device's user manual or online support documentation to find out the correct key combination for your device. Step 1. First, power off your device. Step 2. Press and hold the volume up button and the power button simultaneously for a few seconds. Step 3. When the brand logo appears on the screen, release the buttons to enter recovery mode. Fix 4. Use ADB Command. Step 1. Go to Developer Options in your phone's settings and enable USB debugging. Step 2. Download ADB on your computer and connect your phone via USB. Step 3. Open the command prompt or terminal on your computer and enter the command ADB Reboot Recovery. This command will automatically reboot your device and enter recovery mode. Fix 5. Through Android Repair. If the issue of Android phone recovery mode not working is caused by software corruption, you can use a dedicated Android repair tool to restore it. Step 1. After launching Android Repair on your computer, click on Repair and select Android Repair. Then, connect your Android phone to the PC using a USB cable. Step 2. From the interface, select the information about your Android phone, including brand, name, model, country, and carrier. After selection, type 000 to confirm and click Next to continue. Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your Android into download mode. Click Next, and the tool will start downloading the Android firmware and flashing the new firmware to your Android device. After a while, your Android device will be successfully repaired. Fix 6. Contact the manufacturer. If none of the above methods resolve the issue of Android phone recovery mode not working, it may indicate a hardware malfunction on your device. In such cases, it's best to reach out to the device manufacturer or a professional repair center for further inspection and repairs. They may be able to provide more specific solutions or recommend replacing the damaged components.